So where did the idea for Appvia come from?
Yeah, good question. So, Appvia, so we started in 2018, but me, John, some of the other founders, we all kind of met in the Home Office in 2015, 2014, 2015, around the journey of government, UK government, moving to sort of a cloud first policy. So back then, you had data centers that were used for government. So there's not many, very few choices there. And then there was this big announcement in 2013 that we're going to go cloud first. Home Office was one of the first to do it. In fact, we led that. So I remember John literally having an AWS subscription on his credit card at one point, which then became the kind of Home Office account. But that whole process of moving public sector to government to cloud, US specifically was led by the team that we had, and John specifically, and then lots because at the time that we were solving these problems, a lot of the problems weren't solved already. So we had Kubernetes. There was no managed Kubernetes service like there is now on EKS with EKS, and so we had to create a bunch of tooling around that to make developer lives easier. And then in 2018, that sort of landscape changed when EKS and AKS and all these different things came out, which took management headache away, but it presented different options, different problems for a customer. How do you manage and scale these clusters? How do you make it really easy for developers that still don't really necessarily have Kubernetes skills to deploy into them? And that's why we created the company.